Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So on this Hyundai i30 CW, the high beam bulb here is out. So we have our daytime running, this is our high beam, and then that's our turn signal. So this is the opposite side where you can see the high beam is on, which means the bulb is burned out. So what we're going to do is flip out the bulb with a new one. So what we'll do now is material and tools. Alright, this is our materials and tools list. So this is a replacement bulb, and a flashlight is probably going to be handy. Now you may need channel locks, depends on if it's really tight or not. We'll see how this goes. Alright, so for this car, this is our daytime running lights. This is our high beam here, and then the turn signal is up in the back. So this cover needs to be taken off. Alright, so to take off the cover, just unscrew it and then pull it out. Alright, so for the bulb, you can see the clip at the top, there's another one at the bottom, so that needs to be pulled up and away to loosen the bulb. Alright, so that's the clip, and then that's our bulb. So the bulb can be removed just by pulling it off the socket. Alright, so to remove this, pull from the ring here. Don't grab onto the bulb because it can break and you can get shards of glass into your fingers. Alright, the bulb on the left is the burned out one, the bulb on the right is a new one. But always make sure to compare your bulbs to make sure that they match. Alright, so looking at the bottom, they both say H7 12 volt 55 watt. They look the same. Everything matches, so this will work as a replacement. Alright, so the yellow wire was on the bottom where this tab is, so we're just going to reconnect it the same way. Alright, so it just slides on. Now before even putting the bulb in, I suggest you test it. Okay, so our new bulb works. Alright, before reinstalling the bulb, make sure that the clip is out of the way, and then the bulb can go back into the housing. With the bulb back in the housing, now the clip can be reinstalled. Alright, so there's the clip, so it needs to be pulled up and away, and there's a screw that holds it on the bottom side, so it'll pivot off the screw. Alright, now the cap can be screwed back on. Alright, with the cap back in place, now it just needs to be turned. And that should be it. So a couple things here, make sure that the engine is cold when you do this, and also the bulb will get very hot when you test it, so don't burn yourself on the bulb either. But with the cap back on, everything is done now. Test one more time, make sure you have light, and that should be it for this job. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.